Tired of guessing portion sizes and ruining your recipes with inaccurate kitchen scales? First up is a classic kitchen workhorse that solves the headache of using messy measuring cups for baking. This Etekcity scale features a sleek 304 stainless steel platform that supports 5 different units, allowing you to weigh solids and liquids in the same bowl. The backlit LCD screen displays large fonts, so you will never struggle to read your measurements under dim kitchen lights. It also includes a handy tare function to subtract container weight instantly. This is the perfect choice for casual bakers and meal preppers who need a compact, easy-to-clean device that slips right into a drawer. Imagine effortlessly measuring out exactly 100 grams of flour for your sourdough starter without dirtying extra dishes. Next, at number 2, we have a smart scale designed to eliminate the tedious math of tracking your daily macros. This device connects to the free VeSync app, giving you access to a massive database of 1 million foods to monitor 19 different nutrients. Equipped with 4 high-precision sensors, it accurately measures increments as small as 3 grams to keep your nutrition logs precise. Health-conscious individuals and keto dieters will love how this integrates with Apple Health and Fitbit. For instance, you can place an apple on the stainless steel platform, and the app will instantly calculate its exact calorie and sugar content. Now for number 3. This heavy-duty scale solves the problem of tiny platforms being covered up by large mixing bowls. It boasts a generous 9 by 6 inch platform made of tempered glass and anti-fingerprint stainless steel, holding up to an impressive 22 pounds. The built-in hanging hook makes storage incredibly convenient, allowing you to hang it up on a wall grid when you are finished. Serious home cooks and bakers who work with large batches will find this scale indispensable. You can easily set a large mixing bowl on it, press the tare button, and measure out heavy ingredients for a family-sized loaf of bread without blocking the screen. Coming in at number 4, this stylish scale tackles the issue of flimsy kitchen gadgets that fail after just a few uses. It features a premium black stainless steel finish that looks great on any modern countertop, while supporting up to 13 pounds. You can easily measure liquid volumes in milliliters, making it perfect for both baking recipes and calculating postage for packages. Anyone who values sleek design and wants the peace of mind of 7-day USA-based customer support should buy this model. A great practical use is measuring out milk for a cake recipe directly into your mixing bowl without needing a separate liquid measuring cup. And finally, number 5 addresses the frustrating issue of oversized bowls completely blocking your view of the weight display. This innovative scale features a unique detachable display and a large stainless steel platform that handles up to 22 pounds. It supports 9 different units of measurement and includes a counting function for tracking individual items. This is the ultimate tool for bulk meal preppers and home bakers who frequently use giant bowls or platters. For example, you can place a massive bowl of pasta salad on the platform, pull the display forward, and easily read the weight without bending down to peek underneath. Make sure to check the links in the description below to grab the best deals on these accurate food scales. If you found this comparison helpful, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you never miss our weekly kitchen gear reviews. Drop a comment below telling me which scale you are adding to your kitchen, or let me know what product you want to see reviewed next. Happy cooking, and I will see you in the next video.